Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the volume or adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it of course to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called sounds or sound and vibration, my bad, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here at the top you will see the volume option, select it, and we have a volume slider. You can adjust the volume by swiping up and down on this slider. And once you're done, you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to adjust the sound volume. So I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with my watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. And on the watch that is paired, or rather on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the ZEP application. In the app, we can tap on device. Here you should see Balance 2. And now we can scroll down, tap on device settings, then tap on sound and vibration. And here we have the volume slider. Okay, I was wondering if I turn on the alert tone, it will give us like a preview of the sound volume, but no, it doesn't. So you just need to test it later on after you set it to something. And if it's too loud or too quiet, you will need to adjust it again. Okay, and then we can close the application. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.